In the biogas industry, they do use anaerobic digestion to break down such things as basically animal feces, and they use bacteria to actually break down the material, and it actually turns it into a gas that's then used for energy. The tanks actually need sight glasses because it is a requirement by many companies that produce the tanks. In many of the tanks they use mixers or augers to make sure that there is no crusting of the material inside the tank. The crusting actually won't allow for the gas to pass from the liquid phase into the gas phase, and they also use it to just verify that there is a good amount of new material being put into the tank for the bacteria to actually attack. We have a couple options. We have an RD300, which is more of the standard sight glass used around the world. A lot of companies use a concrete style tank with heating elements throughout it, and the sight glass has to form an airtight seal. Here in the US, we're finding that a lot of companies want a quicker solution, so they turn to a stainless steel style tank, and they've started using some of our low pressure sight glasses, which we actually have here on the table, and our DIN 28120s, which is another style of Weldon type sight glass, which looks very similar to this, but the bolting is actually a little bit larger, as well as the pads are a little bit larger. We also have an LED option that we can offer in places of our halogens, because most companies are looking to, of course, go green, hence the biogas industry, and we can support it with LED lighting now. The way this works is we have an explosion-proof module here, and you'll have a control button, so when you want to view, you just hold the button down and the unit actually spins, removing any of the processed material from the window and allowing you to see inside the tank. And again, this is mostly used or recommended when there is an explosion-proof camera actually mounted on the sight glass, similar to this, so as you're viewing inside the tank, you need to clean that off. That's what the wiper would be used for. If they don't want, or if the customer doesn't want an explosion-proof camera system and they want to manually go up, we do offer manual style turn knobs for the wiper assemblies as well, so they can actually look inside and turn it by hand. Sprayers are something that we do supply. The RD300 comes standard with a spray nozzle. With our DIN 28120s and our low pressures, we can supply spray nozzles as well to help clean those. I would say that in the biogas industry, I think we have one of the best offerings that is currently on the market. I know that we have our various camera systems, lighting, and sight glasses in facilities all over the world. We're lucky enough to have a facility here in Akron that was state-of-the-art at the time that actually has our sight glasses and lighting systems in the facility, so I think we could take care of certainly anyone's needs.